Hello and welcome to Lux Tutorial, and my name is Abhishek Gupta. Now today we are going to discuss about the ICSE Class 9 Chemistry Reduced Syllabus, and today I have called Mr. Punyendu Chakrabarti once again, and he is a very qualified person and he is actually a Class 9 and 10 ICSE teacher. He is the chemistry teacher who teaches in one of the most renowned school in Kolkata. So today we have called him for discussing about the ICSE Class 9 Chemistry syllabus. So very warm welcome to Punendu sir.
Thank you, Abhishek, for the warm welcome. And I hope the previous video that you have seen, my dear students, it was helpful to you. It was beneficial for you for understanding that what exactly you don't have to study in the exam for the examination purpose. So now today, students, to all my dear students of class 9, I'm going to share you the reduction in the syllabus for chemistry. So without wasting any time, I'm going to go to those topics where you don't need to study those topics at all. So let us come to chapter number 3, which is water. Chapter number 3 is water, all of you know, and it's a pretty big chapter, but the council has decided to remove the part of hard water and soft water from your syllabus. So in that chapter, that is chapter number 3, you don't need to study about hard water and soft water and all the details which is related to hard water and soft water. When we go to other chapters, it is as it is. But when we go to chapter number 8, too much surprisingly, the whole chapter number 8 has been eliminated from your syllabus. And what is this chapter number 8? Atmospheric pollution. This atmospheric pollution, it may seem that it has a little implications of chemistry. We have very few reactions of chemistry over there, and this has been a subject which you have been learning from very childhood, that is starting from class 3 4 EVS. You have already done that, environmental science. It's just a broader application of your knowledge of environmental science only. That's why I think council have decided to remove this chapter from the syllabus. No need to study about atmospheric pollution. The entire chapter is being eliminated from your syllabus. Now we come across chapter number 9. That is the last chapter, which is the practical work. Now in this chapter, what we find some questions are set by council regarding your knowledge about practical chemistry. Now this chapter is equally very important, students, for your preparation of your annual examination. Sometimes we see the council set questions from this particular chapter also, which is not to be neglected. But again, you find in this chapter only the experiments on hard water and soft water. And again, you will find in this chapter only the experiments to find the sources of water pollution, which is obviously you don't need to study. Because if the main chapter is being eliminated, that is atmospheric pollution, if the main topic has been eliminated, that is hard water and soft water, then the implications of those theoretical knowledge that is in the practical chemistry is obviously not required. So students, practical work is very important. Practical work, you should study very hard. You should practice reactions, balancing those chemical reactions, your observations and everything should be kept in mind whenever you are preparing for exam. But that part of hard water and soft water, estimation of hard water and soft water in that practical chemistry part, it is not required. Neither it is required to learn about the sources of the pollution in water bodies. That is totally omitted from your syllabus. Okay, so this is all about the reduction of class 9 ICSE chemistry syllabus. Only 3 portions that I have discussed: hard water, soft water, not required. Again, atmospheric pollution, the entire chapter is being reduced. And again, in the practical chemistry, the experiments on hard water and soft water, as well as the experiments on water pollution, is not required.
Okay, sir. So, sir, few questions that generally I want to ask you is that is it really 25% of the syllabus? What do you think about this?
Absolutely not, sir. I don't think by elimination of one chapter, I don't think 25% has been reduced. Maybe around 10 to 15% of the syllabus has been reduced, and it is required also, sir, because they are getting promoted to class 10 in 2021. So they need to have some good sound concepts of chemistry, and that foundation should be very, very strong. That is going to help them in class 10. So if 25% or 40% of the syllabus is reduced, that is not going to help them in the long run, which is I personally feel. So I think 25% is not reduced, and whatever percentage is reduced, that is being kept in mind, that particular thing, that the atmospheric pollution and hard water and soft water, usually those implications are not too much required in the modern chemical reactions. Those implications are not there. Even when they go to class 11, they are again going to fight with hard water and soft water. So I think right at this moment, class 9 syllabus, hard water and soft water as well as atmospheric pollution is not required at all.
Okay. So, sir, let me ask you one thing. So, sir, is it really difficult to cover the remaining syllabus online, as very few portions are reduced from the chemistry syllabus as compared to the maths and the physics syllabus? What do you want to say about this, sir?
See, regarding the maths and physics syllabus, maybe I am not the right one to say, but obviously you can tell it better than me. But I
Yes,
think what about chemistry? They are not going to face a difficulty, because the way the syllabus is being taught in all the schools, in all the ICSE schools, the way the teachers are working day and night for the benefit of the students, and the way they are explaining it online with the help of their PowerPoint presentations, with the help of animated videos, with the whiteboard demonstration, with different kinds of apps that is available right now. I don't think whatever time is left, it will be just, I think, enough for the students to prepare this chapter in a proper way, to revise the important concepts and get themselves prepared. For the first time, they are giving the council exam, the board exam, that is class 9 chemistry. Their first time they're appearing. So I think the time that is left for us is really enough for them to prepare them properly. And obviously, the students have to be more sincere, because this is not class 8. So class 9, you have to be a little more sincere about the reactions and all the, the concepts of chemistry. So I think the sincerity added with the efforts of the teacher, that will ultimately help them in the long run. And we are going to get very fruitful results from the students of class 9.
Okay, sir. So, sir, since you have already explained these things, this reduced syllabus in much detail, I hope that all the students, those who are watching this video, will be surely benefited, and they have already noted these things, taking a copy and a pen, and they have written these things in their copy very well. So, sir, thank you really for coming up in this video and explaining this to all the students out there. And so I will be calling you once again in the near future to share some tips for the students of class 9, that how to prepare for the final examination and how they can grab more and more concepts from the books, as well as they can learn more and more things in chemistry. They can be better in that case.
Obviously, sir, and I'm always there to help them, as I love all my children, all my students who work hard, who take studies seriously, and all those students who do not take the studies seriously also, because it is the ultimately the duty of the teachers only to make them grow interest, so that they get interest
Yes.
about the subjects. And I think you are also dealing with those kind of students. So
Yes.
we know each other's job very well. So students, don't worry. This time, whatever you have been not being able to achieve in class 8, I'm sure with the sincere efforts of your teachers, and obviously your sincere effort, will definitely pave the way for a much better result in class 9.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir, for the very kind gesture of yours. So, sir, we will meet in the another video. And students, thank you for watching this video. I hope you like the video. So click on the like button, press the subscribe button, and don't forget to press the bell notification, so that you will be notified whenever we will come up with another video. And hopefully we will be coming up with another video shortly. So stay home, stay safe, and study hard. So thank you for watching this video.